Hello, my name is Kate. So we're making another Popin Cookin pack. So this time it's tanoshii sushi. So remember guys, last time we flipped it over and you know when it says open. Whoa, it says open, right? At the top. Okay, we are going to be opening it carefully. Alright, you guys see it inside. Right now we have a big bag. Alright, we don't have, this will be right here, sorry. Alright, then you could use scissors for this, or you can use hands. I might use scissors. Oh, I see it. Scissors. I'm trying to follow it. I didn't follow it perfectly. Alright, you guys see inside it comes with a blue bag, orange and green bag stick together, a pink bag and a yellow bag, and here comes a brown bag. We also have some of this black candy. Hey, this black candy is going to be for the dried up. And we also have this shovel dish thing. And we also have this eye dropper. You don't have to cut anything yet. I didn't follow the line directly. Didn't cut the line directly quite quick. So step 1, it says make some rice. Fill the oval depression 1 with water. Then add powder from the blue packet. Stir until thick cooked rice.
The A and B.
Alright guys, look, you might need adults to help. Look, you might want to use a spoon and scoop it up and put it. So guys, we are gonna be adding some water. Oh man, I'm so scared.
I'm so hungry.
Careful. Can you cut this off? I may need a little. Careful. Okay, guys, then open. Dun 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 dun. The blue rice candy powder. White rice candy powder. Okay, how do I open this? Okay. It's so good. Wait, it doesn't have that much flavor though. I might even want to add some more water. Okay, I need more water. Okay. It's good to take out. Ooh, Daddy. This feels so soft. Alright guys, mix it until it's doughy, kind of like this. Let's see. I only let you touch it if your hands are clean.
Yeah.
Wait. Not too much, you can't whip it.
Oh.
You can squish it. Wait. And this my little brother Aiden, he will be filming with us.
Where is
But you
he?
can't really see. Right, thanks. Right now, it says add water up to the line on the side spiral section. Add the yellow spread and flatten. Pour water into the zigzaggy section. Wait, that section? Oh. What is it? It's okay if you do the wrong way. Right, perfect. Okay, that's the yellow powder. Right now it says make tuna. Right, do the same thing as the yellow, but this time you do the opposite one. Wait, I have to fill the rest. But don't take the yellow out yet. It's not firm. Careful, Caitlin. I can use a shook. Right, and guys, mix and flatten. It says make dried seaweed. It says spread out the black candy to match the shape and size of the packing pouch. Oh, this. Have to follow the instructions. Right. Guys, you see this? It was on the packet right here. You see I cut it off. Right here on the front. And then, you see this little bag right here? Blue stripes, or blue stripes. Well, you could call it purple. But I prefer bluey purple or something like that. Then you take out this black candy. Oh, this is Sushi. Then you guys, you flatten it until it's a white shape. You guys just have to flatten it. You don't have to unfold it or anything. It's not like a folded candy. Alright guys, and look, the shape like this. Alright, it says spread out the black candy to match the same size as the packing pouch. Alright guys, you see I did it. Be careful. Guys, you have to let it rest. Alright, now guys, we're gonna be making the salmon roll. So we are gonna add water to up to the lines on the sides in sections A and B. Alright, and guys, it says from the green packet to section A. Okay, add powder from the green packet to section A. So guys, you see section A inside the tray. Grab the green packet. Open it. Then pour it all in section A. Add powder from the orange one to section B. It says mix well. Be careful not to mix liquids together. It says how to make omelette, sushi, and tuna. Okay, so you guys, If you do this, then you carefully scoop it out. Oh my gosh. Not too big, not too little. Then grab it and put it on the top.
It's the yellow sushi.
Look.
How do you think, Aiden?
Yummy.
Does it look good?
Wait.
Does it look like a real sushi?
Guys, don't take all of it. You guys will need some for later. You know. Because it says we still have to make the salmon roll. Hey guys, we are almost done. We just need to make some soy sauce. I'm making the soy sauce right now. Then you guys pour it in. Wait. This is the end of today's video. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.
Try it, eat it.
How was it?
So good. Let's taste. Well, I'll give you. Say,
What kind of sushi is that?
I think one is tuna and one is egg sushi. Ready?
How does it taste like?
Good.